Hello icons, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, hi, my name is John. I'm now your new favorite celebrity that teaches and slams in love assumption into your motherfucking ass. This is a place where anyone can come to feel safe, to remember that they are so worthy of manifesting their dream life. The girlies, the gays, the icons, the queers, LGBT, no, straight, whatever you identify as. This is a safe place for the weirdos, the people who really grew up feeling like there was never a place in the world for them. This is the place for you to remember that you deserve the world. And don't mind my broken eye patches that keep moving. Bro, I took them out of the pack and they were ripped, but it's fine. There's bigger problems in the world. Just, I know I look stupid. This message came to me while I was in the shower. But before we dive deeper into this message, don't forget to check and stalk my other social media platforms like my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Snapchat. They are so fun. If you want more to my day-to-day life and what I'm manifesting, what I'm doing, and watching and unhinged, sassy workout motivation, healing messages, everything, go check out the description box for the rest of my social medias. I would love the support over there, especially my Instagram and Snapchat. And if you like to tip me and buy me a coffee, all the links are down below as well. Thank you so much. But let's get into this. The message that came to me was that you are perfect right now. Right now. You don't need to dive deeper into any form of shadow work, any form of healing, any form of, healing modalities. You don't need to overcomplicate that. Yes, I love teaching and preaching nervous system regulation because I do find it beneficial. But this video is for the people who kind of feel like they're always trying to find the next modality, the next thing that will help them shut the fuck up for 5 seconds. You have to remember that each and every moment you get to choose who you are. You get to choose who you are in each and every moment. So technically you don't even need to have these healing modalities. I preach them because I see firsthand how it helps me with my anxious thoughts and my anxiety, but you don't have to overcomplicate that. It's as simple as going on YouTube and finding breathworks and meditations and EFT tappings and do them when you have the time. But you have to have that discipline and that line between do I have the time and am I just being lazy? As someone that had a past of coming from the strictly just the law of attraction community, I remember how it felt like to always need to feel like to visualize more or to find the next better meditation that might work or to script. But nothing really clicked until I understood that I was the validation. I needed to step into the state. I needed to change my identity, and those modalities by itself weren't going to do that for me. It was a conscious decision that, like, hey, truthfully, the past and the future does not exist, and the only moment we have is right now in this moment. So why the fuck do I keep clinging on to these past identities? The person that struggled with food, the person that never felt worthy of love because of the binge eating disorder, the person that was ashamed to be their loud extra self because they grew up feeling like being gay was so wrong, which equals my existence being invalid or not worthy or not valid, whatever. But it was like nothing really truly clicked until I decided that shift for myself, within myself. Like, I didn't need to keep going back to the story of someone that was being bullied, someone that grew up in poverty. Okay, great. Doesn't exist anymore. Who am I choosing to be right fucking now? I'm done being loyal to the limiting beliefs of the person that was fat, that was bullied. I don't care. That doesn't exist anymore. People are growing, people are healing, people are evolving, bro. You need to move on for yourself. You're not bound to any failure that might have happened or any mistake you might have made or any traumas that you might have endured. Yes, it was painful, but it doesn't make you you. It doesn't break you. It will not break you. It doesn't dictate your future. You are a brand new person in this moment, and you are healed right now in this moment. You're choosing the new state, which is someone that is worthy, always has been worthy. Remember, because your worth is innate and no outside experience or person or circumstance or trauma can ever take that away from you. You need to stop giving your trauma so much power. You can let it go, not for that person, but for you and for the world. Because once you let go of the past and embrace this new level of you, you'll start to be able to feel confident to share your magical gifts and essence with this world. And the world needs you. The world needs your gifts and talents. So the sooner you let go of that person or the trauma, the sooner you get to help humanity, giving your unique talents and gifts. And the reason why you are here is because you are part of the universe, God, Jesus, whatever, incarnated or embodied, and it gave you specific, unique tools and talents for you to help other souls on this at the school that we call Earth. You are not your past. You are not your traumas. You've always been worthy. You've always been perfect. You've always been sexy and divine and worthy of love and worthy of success and worthy of affection and safety and compassion and connection and friendships and laughter and joy and safety. And that is who you're identifying with right fucking now. I love you, and you're perfect just the way you are, and your manifestations are coming through. You're doing it amazing. You're on the right track. You're not fucking everything up, and you're gorgeous and worthy and safe and lovable. And like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass.